Hi, I've started to notice that there aren't a lot of comments on my videos. I think that may be due to the fact that you don't know how to put a comment on a video. Here, let me show you. So here's how you comment on a video. You go down, and if you go all the way down, you can add a comment. This is a comment. You can add a comment. It's really easy. You should really try it. I want to see more comments on my videos. And if you need to make a comment on a touch device, just go down and then you'll find the comments. Not all the way down, but only past the description. After you do that, you'll click there and then you'll start typing in what you want to comment. In this example, I just scribbled some words. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please post comments on my videos because I want things to read. It's entertaining. It gives me something to do. Thank you for watching.